We've already shared some great Prime Day finds, but there are plenty more deals worth adding to our shopping list. Joining us with another round of standout savings is lifestyle expert and podcast host Josh McBride, also friend of the show, but I had to say podcast host
Thank you,
first.
appreciate that.
What else should shoppers be keeping an eye on?
Oh, so much. Let's start before you add to cart. I just made that up.
I love it.
All right, let's talk hair first. Pure Door.
Love it.
This stays in my shower, stays in my friend's shower. This is their gold label shampoo and conditioner set. Be on the lookout for this today, of course, through Friday. Promoting healthier looking hair, great for frizzy and thinning hair. You're going to get select premium natural and organic ingredients here, enhancing the volume and the thickness. It's got aloe vera and argan oil, red Korean seaweed, leaving your hair feeling soft, smooth, hydrated. 30% off on Amazon Prime Day.
Love that.
They call it Prime Day, but it's really Prime Days.
Yes.
There it is.
This next item becoming a beauty staple.
Yes, let's take it from hair to face. Garnier, their micellar cleansing water. This is everything, up to 30% off, including their best-selling single and 2-pack options in the regular size bottles. These are great for heavy makeup, or if you wear waterproof mascara, or if you're just looking for that sort of hydration boost because it has hyaluronic acid in it. Also has vitamin C, so it's going to brighten up your skin. They're actually America's #1 micellar brand.
I believe it.
Lifting away dirt and oil and makeup and all of the things. Gentle enough for daily use too, which is great, even on sensitive skin. Again, up to 30% off. Definitely check that out. Also, something you want to keep in your medicine cabinet.
I keep in one here, one
of course, so
everywhere.
easy.
What is this beauty?
Comfort. Thinking about comfort, especially right now. Also great as a gift. This is from Bedshirt. This is their pure woven organic cotton waffle
I love it.
herringbone blanket. Made from 100% organic cotton, naturally breathable. You know it's soft on the skin. It's free from harmful chemicals, of course. It's got that textured waffle you can see here. I just got a manicure. With that herringbone design. 20% off here, but you have to search it. Bedshirt organic cotton blanket on, of course, Amazon.
This.
That's nice. I love it at the bottom of the bed. Also, like the color right here.
Yes, love this.
Got to take it to the laundry room. Because everybody, you should be stocking up on laundry essentials. Let's start with Downy Rinse. This is going to work with your laundry detergent to, of course, help remove those stubborn odors. You have two boys. Hello. In just one wash, there's no need for those extra steps. It's got these great, it's so easy. You just add it into the fabric softener compartment of the wash, getting that stuck-in stink. It's 20% off the 48-ounce cool cotton bottles.
Get the stuck-in stink off.
Get it out. Get it out. Let's stay with laundry.
Exercise.
Absolutely. Let's stay with laundry, especially if you have a pet. This is so great. This is from Bounce. This is their the Pet Mega Dryer Sheets. This is making it super easy to really get out all of that pet hair. Now, we love our furry friends, but we're done with wearing them. Skipping your lint rollers, the sticky brushes, the constant rewashing to get the hair off. This is going to take care of that. All you do is just toss one of those Mega Sheets into the dryer on top of clean, wet clothes. 20% off the 180 count packs for Amazon Prime Days.
And they are mega.
Isn't that awesome? Yes, they're great.
Moving right along.
Yeah. Okay, thinking about entertainment, let's talk tech for Amazon Prime Days. This is from BenQ. This is their GV50. Take a look at this. Portable laser projector. Bringing big screen magic to really any space, floor to ceiling, inside, outside. Unmatched flexibility. It's got a built-in battery, up to 2.5-hour video playtime. It's great for smart entertainment. It's got this immersive sound also. Ultra flexible viewing angles. So see how it's right there? You can actually tilt it. 38% off for $467. But while I love it, when they come back to us, of course this is on Amazon Prime Day as well. When they come back, I just want to do a little zhuzhing here.
Please.
You see this? So you can project it. A lot of people will while you're laying in bed. So you don't have to tilt your head up.
Okay,
and do
I
the
need
whole
this because
thing.
I don't allow a television in bedroom, but I would do this.
Right, and also, but again, if you're laying flat, I can have it right there. Easy on the neck.
Oh, I like that. Add to
Continue. Add to cart. We're not proceeding to checkout quite yet.
Not yet.
Next up, this is also staying in that tech space, thinking about security, right? This is from Simply Safe. They're slashing 50% off all of their security systems. This is actually their comprehensive 10-piece system, only $180. It includes the base station, the keypad, motion sensors, entry sensors, the indoor camera, and also one of their newest outdoor cameras, which uses AI to actually detect potential intruders kind of approaching your home. There's also live Simply Safe agents can actually use their outdoor camera speaker to intervene when suspicious activity is actually happening happening
Go
around.
away.
Exactly. You'd probably say something worse.
I 100% would.
No contracts, super easy to set up. That, again, 50% off all their security systems.
Okay, now bringing us to
The Body Tree Hut, really a body care favorite. Savings on a variety of their shea sugar scrubs in these fan favorite scents. They smell so good, like pink hibiscus, watermelon raspberry, fizz, and other essentials from the brand. It's really great for buffing away that dull, dry skin and revealing that skin that feels naturally smoother and refreshed. They have some great stuff. Their prices will vary on, of course, Amazon Prime Days. Tree Hut, you got to check them out there. Proceed to cart and check out.
Proceed to cart and check out, but not before listening to your podcast. Congratulations,
Thank you.
Success.
Thank you.
A runaway success, sir.
Thank you. The McBride Rewind, where podcasts are found, YouTube, all the places.
Unbelievable. Thank you. Congratulations. You at home, you know the drill. Prime Day deals, scan that QR code right now or head to pix11.com and click on the Pix Partners tab.